Good morning, you guys. It's Crystal from the Abundantly Blessed Homestead. I'm going to make some soaked oatmeal this morning, which is an amazing way that your family can eat oatmeal without depriving your body of nutrients to break it down, which means less cavities, stronger bones, and an overall healthier body. So the first step to making this oatmeal is actually, it started last night. And that is to take 6 cups of regular oatmeal, not quick oatmeal, not quick oats, but like regular oats, steel cut oats work. 6 cups of those kind of oats, and you're going to soak them with 4 cups of an acidic liquid. So you can either do water and like 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, or in this case, I went ahead and did 1 cup of water and 3 cups of kefir, and I just stirred it up. It doesn't have to be soaking in the water. It just has to cover the, be incorporated into the oats and covering all sides of the oats, okay? So that's the very first step. This has been sitting for pretty close to 12 hours, but you at least want to go 8 hours, okay? I forgot a bowl this morning. I'll be right back. Gigantic bowl for us. Alright, spoon might be helpful. So we're just going to empty these into the bowl. And just make sure that when you mix your acidic medium into here to soak your oats, that you got all the oats, because otherwise you're going to have oats in there that are not soaked, so they're not properly prepared for your body, okay? Next ingredient is 2 cups of applesauce. I make our own version of like chunky apples. And that's what I'm going to put in here. Okay. Next ingredient is a 1/4 cup of honey. You guys know how I roll. I don't measure out honey. So a 1/4 cup of honey plus 1 tablespoon, which I think is hilarious because, I don't know. There are recipes that do that, you know. It's like, oh, this much plus a teaspoon or something. So a 1/4 cup of honey plus 1 tablespoon of honey going into here. We need, either you can do 3 tablespoons of apple pie spice, or I'm going to do a mixture of different spices. So just 1 second, I have to go grab my measuring spoons. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the measuring spoons. So you can either do 3 tablespoons of apple pie spice that you would buy into the store. It's already mixed. That might be nice. Maybe not. Maybe that's too much light. Just seems kind of dark. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay. We're going to do 1 1/2 teaspoons of ginger. Okay, 1 1/2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Ginger got up my nose. Ah, nutmeg. 1 1/2 teaspoons of nutmeg. And 1 teaspoon of allspice. You could also do 1 teaspoon of cloves in this, but I'm all out, so 1 teaspoon allspice. Okay, now we need 4 eggs. Okay, so 4 eggs. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. Now, we're going to go ahead and take our pan, and I'm going to grease it with lard, but you sure could grease it with butter or coconut oil. We're going to go ahead and do all the sides. I've also taken like a 1/4 cup of butter and melted it in the bottom, and then poured everything on top. That's really good. Now, while I'm doing this, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Okay, next ingredient back into this mixture is coconut oil, which is why I took a break to do the pan. We need 1/2 cup of coconut oil, which means I need a measuring cup. Alright. Alrighty then, 1/2 cup is right here. Now, if your coconut oil is hard, obviously you're going to have to melt it. Mine is actually soft this morning for some strange reason. I'm just going to be thankful and use it. Okay, coconut oil, let's see. And that's it. That's all your ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this. You could also mix this in a mixer or with a hand mixer. All good ideas. So we're just going to get it mixed. Might actually just use my hand because some of the clumps of oatmeal got a little clumpy. Can't get it with a spoon. So we're just incorporating everything in together here. Okay. Then it's going to go right into our pan. Yeah. I feel like I didn't put baking soda in this, but I can't remember. So hopefully I did. Let's see. I know we did. I'm trying to think about this. I'm pretty sure we did. It was 1 teaspoon of baking soda, just in case I messed up on our... I just don't feel like I opened that. In fact, I'm pretty darn sure I did not open that. So I'm going to add it in. Somehow. I'm going to just mix it in here. I feel like I didn't put it in here. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'll just mix it in with my fingers. Because I can't remember if I did or if I didn't. So now I did. Oh my goodness, it's morning cooking with me. I can't count how many times I forgot the baking soda, and it was just bad. So, all right. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands since I made a mess of myself. Okay, so the oven, like I said, is preheated to 375 degrees. Once it beeps, all we're going to do is stick this into the oven. We're going to bake it for 1 hour. Around the 50, as in 50, minute mark, we're going to start checking on it because depending on your oven, it may already be done. So It's going to rise, it's going to get pretty, it's going to smell absolutely delicious in your house, and that's how you're going to know it's done. So that's all there is to it. I will take a picture of the finished product and I will put it in the thumbnail. And if you like these nourishing videos about cooking, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, coming up, there's going to be more homesteading videos about how to mix your own feed for your chickens, where to buy stuff, how to ferment feed. All those videos are all coming up. So it'll be more than just a cooking channel. So anyway, if you like that, please subscribe to my channel. And we're going to do more ferments too. We're going to be making stuff like sauerkraut. I don't know, sauerkraut and probably like beet kvass, that sort of thing. We're going to have some more fermenting videos. So if you like that, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a great day.